This stone building was built in 1890. We don't know much about the building's history, except prior to 1958, the building was, at least for a portion of its life, a casket factory. And it does look more like a factory than a church because of the odd door placements above the ground. In 1958, Irvin Burridge founded the Ebenezer St. Missionary Baptist Church there. He continued to run this church much of its life until he was well into his 90s. We believe that the church closed in 2006. So we're in, and the pews are still here. And the organ, none of which are in great shape. One faith, one baptism. Another organ or piano. We found the basement. There's hymnals. These pews are curved. Kind of interesting. Placards for the House of Wheat. One gigantic saw. One big saw. Got a couple bathrooms. This is the women's bathroom. Still has paper towels on the roll. Here's the fellowship hall, as it says right there. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. right there. I love these chairs. Definitely old school. I don't know why somebody would hang faux brick vertical, but they did. Here's the rest of the chairs. Husband and Lover, The Art of Sex for Men. Daughter Love. What? Hey, you gotta come see this book.
I love cool books.
I don't know if I'd call it cool. Dude, it really means what it says. Read it.
Okay, this is getting... Oh, wow. I thought it was some sort of like, you should, like a Christian thing.
Yeah.
But no, it's just...
No, it's definitely...
Just straight up smut.
It says...
It was sinfully wrong. But he took from his daughter all she had, all she knew. Because she had learned her tricks masterfully from rutting town boys. Okay, the word rutting, you already know, it's 50 years old.
Who First of all, who would write this? Who would sell this? And who would buy this?
This one seems almost okay. It seems bizarre, but...
Bizarre, like I would never...
This one's like a crime, you know what I mean? Pretty dapper, if you will.
They are very dapper. A car's title. Yeah, 1953 truck.
You know what this is?
What?
It's Caroline.
No way.
That's what they're at. That's the base of the Caroline.
It is. It's a Jesus Last Supper clock. Made to look like a TV.
So cool.
It's like they just left everything.
Yeah.
Oh, articles about the church. The other one's empty. There's a mounted fish.
Pastor Reverend. Pastor Reverend.
Urmson Easley. What if he went by Ermel? Urmson Easley. That's a pretty cool name. You can see how tall the ceilings used to be before they framed it in and put drop ceiling. They also added these walls. You can see they framed it in with metal studs. Let's check out the upstairs. Box of tapes. This attic hatch is pretty awesome. The roof isn't bad. I'm surprised somebody didn't just turn into a house or something. It's a dusty hangar. This is that door that goes out to nothing. So we wonder what this is for. There's no hole in the floor that we can see, but yet there's a hoist. There's a gate, and then it just stops right here. What would they be moving? Who knows? Look how tall the ceilings are in here. Parts of it look like they're in good shape. It's time to head downstairs. Downtown Blues. Okay, it's that time. Let's check out the basement. Shovel. Look at this weird rolling door. So it's got a door that covers down, that hinges down over the basement. But then it also has this door on rollers. Is there a window? It would cover that window, I guess.
Well, the light was pretty harsh right there. Maybe it like blinded the patrons. It's interesting if true.
This is how we die. Somebody just shuts this
I was gonna
door.
say, I just hear it slam above us. Fun.
Oh, it's huge, tall ceilings. There's a garage door.
Yeah, I knew this building looked bigger.
Oh, it goes way this way too. With the phone number.
That's very cool.
Oh, it's a bathroom. Band-Aids and tins. More books, but now I'm scared to read what they say. Yeah, old school pool table. Vintage furniture. This is a trunk that's dumped open. The two-gun kid. What year? 10 cents.
This is approved by the Comic Code Authority. In the top right. Christian approved.
It doesn't have a date. How does it not have a date on it? Or is that not the back? I don't know.
Okay.
What is this? How to photograph babies. Look at the top right corner.
I know. That's why
How to starve Negroes. Oh my God, that's horrifying. Here's another one of these. Can Sugar Ray retain his title?
Just a pop
1955. Dude, look at this old trimmer. Nordstrom. Oh, they're all. Oh, Dairy Queen.
There's Dr. Pepper over there.
Look.
Ooh, that's cool. Don't know what the point of that is.
Oh, that's how you adjust it.
Huh.
Oh, I wonder if it's spring loaded and then they go like this, and it'd be like an electric one.
Wow.
Oh, and this was like the grooming kit. Look. A little razor blade. What is that? Okay. Need a drum set. Oh, those are cool. Okay, let's head on up. Look at the supports up there. Oh, they're all carved. That one you can see that has like a little decoration on it. This whole corner of this building looks like it's gonna fall out. There's no mortar left.
Yeah.
So at one point it looks like there were stairs here that went into that room. Look at the little window up there. And as always, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share it on social media, and we'll keep making videos like this. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you like these, if you like more churches, or if you like more old homes, or if you like more commercial buildings, let us know. And as always, be safe out there.
Can't beat that.
Love is my destination. Frankie Lyman, Old Town, Bang, I Found a Love, kinds of good stuff.